Hey guys, today we're doing a Kangaskhan EX unboxing. So, sorry, I messed up. And what we have here is a big Pokemon card.
Who's that?
Kangaskhan.
Cool, it's huge.
And then we have a little Kangaskhan card. It's shiny. And then we already opened this pack, and I'm going to start with the evolutions first and then go to the Steam and then Breakpoint.
Alright.
Alright, so where's the magic? So first we have a Pidgeot Spirit Link.
I could see him right there. That's perfect.
Hydro. Trainer Pokémon. Rattata. I think there's only one. Diglett. Ghastly. Whatever that one is. That's the one. Yellow Energy. A full heal, and the last one is a. It is a. I think it's Starmie. Yeah, Starmie.
Alright, on to your next one, buddy. You can hold them up by your chest. Makes it easier.
Like
or open up the next pack.
Well, I like when you get closer.
This is gross, man. So
Next
disgusting.
one, we have Hydro. Another Pidgeot Spirit Link. I think it's a Nidropo, 30 times attack damage. Another Rattata.
Can you turn them a little straight up and down? Yeah.
Like that. And we have a Tangela. We have a Strave something. A Energy. Malacorp.
Carp.
And a Reverse Hell,
let me
I
see
think,
that
a
one.
Hunter. And then
looks
our rare card today is a Nidoking.
Cool.
That's probably that's a really good one.
Alright, hurry up with the next pack. Yeah, speed it up.
Best one so far. We have this one.
So explain, what's that thing you do for when you shuffle them?
It makes it so the good cards at
The last one?
Yeah.
How many do you do? You take three, and then you put them on the bottom?
Yeah.
Cool.
So we have a Dewott. We have a Seekless Spirit Link. I think this is a new one. I've read this one. Sheldon. Meowth. Chimichar. Nose Pass. Litilio. Sneasel.
It's black, huh?
We have a Seed Pot. And see that, and the last final rare one is a Jump.
Can you show me?
Pluff.
I'll get it. You don't have to.
Jump Pluff.
Alright, your last pack.
Oh, where's it?
Why don't you give him a burp while you're waiting? Can you burp and say Pokemon?
Did you already shuffle it or no?
No.
Pokemon.
know they can hear the movie in the background. If you're wondering what movie that is, it's The River Wild. While his mom's watching it, busting butt bubbles.
Boy, we have an EX.
All right, go.
Alright, we have a Saturn, which is a
Tip them up straight up.
Tune.
Mhm.
Like that.
No, towards me more. The top. There you go.
A Closer, which is a rare because it's 100 health. A Hagrid. I'm so excited. Ducklet.
Let me see your face. How excited are you?
Really excited, and I haven't had a EX.
And you just had your birthday party
Shinx.
with a magician. We should upload the magician's videos.
Yeah. Nemo.
TNZ Magic.
Blitzel.
Zach Purcell.
Sky Reverse Hollow, and the EX is...
Let me see that card real quick. Hold it up towards me.
It's not really.
It just looks cool. Alright.
And the
I'm
last
used to like
Pokemon
80s
is
comic, 90s comic
a
chromium
Maffy
covers.
EX.
Move your fingers out of the way a little bit. Let me see.
Maffy.
Oh, cool. You don't have that one?
No.
Cool.
It's a full art EX too.
Oh, what's that mean?
It's like, you know, trainers, how like these,
Mhm.
it will say like everything. So
It's got full art on it?
yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. All right. You want to say thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe for more burps and more Pokemon
And unboxing videos.
and Pokemon and unboxing videos.
Yeah, Loot Crate, Nerd Block,
Nerd Block.
Loot Crate DX.
Yeah. And I have subscribed.